If you've forgotten your GOG password and need to get back into your account, don't worry, this is a quick and simple process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your GOG password step by step so you can regain access fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides and account help videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account where you need to change the password, or at least on the main GOG website where you can access your account settings. Once you're on the site, look at the top menu and click on your profile icon. This is usually in the upper area of the page and gives you access to your account options. From the drop-down menu, click Account Management. This will take you to the page where you can manage your profile, security, and login settings. On the Account Management page, look for the Login and Security section and click it. This is where GOG stores your password and sign-in options. Now find the option that says Change next to Password and click it. GOG will not usually let you directly set a new password right away because for security reasons, it first sends a password reset email to the email address linked to your account. So after clicking Change, check your inbox for an email from GOG with password reset instructions. If you don't see it right away, also check your spam, promotions, or junk folders just in case it was filtered there. Once you open the email, click the Reset link inside it. That link will take you to a secure page where you can create a brand new password for your account. On that page, enter your new password carefully. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you can remember but others cannot guess. After that, confirm the password by typing it again in the confirmation box. Double-check both fields so there are no typos, because if they don't match, the reset won't go through. When everything looks correct, submit the form to finish the process. And that's it. Your GOG password has now been reset successfully. You can go back to your account and sign in with your new password right away. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.